So we're gonna see how to be greeted by your computer every time you start it. I know we don't have any smart operating system like Jarvis, but your Windows also can do this for you. So let's begin with the tutorial. First of all, just open your text editor and write the following code. You can write anything you want your computer to speak in this double quotes. So I'm gonna write welcome back sir. Have a great day. So here this one is the speech rate. You can adjust it according to you. I'm gonna save this file. You can save it by any name you want. So I'm gonna save it with the name welcome, and its extension should be .vbs. So it is welcome.vbs. You can exit this file. Now let's see if it works.
Welcome back, sir. Have a great day.
So it works. Now what you have to do is open your file manager and navigate as follows. Navigate as I do. Go to users, select the user you are logged in from. So my username is Shreyas, and then just go here, and it is enabled here, but in your PC you should enable these hidden items, and then you will see here AppData. Go to roaming, Microsoft, Windows, start menu, programs, and then startup. Now just copy this file, welcome file, into this folder, and your job is done.
Welcome back, sir. Have a great day.
Now just restart your PC and see the magic. Thank you.